Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can withdraw our Amazon Pay balance to our bank account. So for that you need to open up Amazon Pay, and after that you will find this option of send money. Just click on it, and here you will find this option of to bank. Just select it. And now you will need to provide some information like IFSC code, account number, then you have to re-enter the account number and the name of account holder. After that you will be able to pay that money or send or withdraw that money from Amazon Pay to the bank account. But there are some balances which cannot be withdrawn from Amazon Pay, and for that you can just go to Play Store, App Store, and search for Ease My Deal. And here when you open this up and create your account, make sure that you complete the KYC process. It will take around 20 to 30 minutes. So after completion of your KYC, only then use this app. After that, open this app and you will find this option of transfer to bank or UPI. Just select this option, and after that pay using your Amazon Pay. You will find the wallet option over there. Just pay it and you will be able to send Amazon Pay balance to your bank account. And this is how you can withdraw money from Amazon Pay to your bank account. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.